That should be good. All right. So today I will be showing you how to do trigonomic proofs or trig proofs. So today we'll be looking at this problem right here. I don't know what ZX does, but it's not very good. The equation is, or the proof is secant of angle theta times sine of angle theta over tangent of angle theta plus cotangent of angle theta is equal to the sine squared of angle theta. I'm going to try to avoid saying angle theta or probably make like a little counter. Probably not, because I'm not going to be editing this at all. But yeah, this equation looks complicated and looks like what the heck am I looking at right now? But it really does make a lot of sense once you get into it. So first off, you want to start by turning this bottom portion right here into its respective sine and cosine forms. That way it's a lot easier to work with as you're trying to find sine in the first place. So secant of angle theta times sine of angle theta Now you have it like this, what you're going to want to do is you're probably going to want to get these to be, or this bottom portion to have a common denominator in and of itself. So what I suggest doing is cross multiplying, right? Fairly simple technique. You've probably been using it since maybe 6th grade, probably, most likely. So you'll basically end up with sine, mess that up. So secant of angle theta times the sine of angle theta over sine squared of angle theta. What was it again? Plus cosine squared of angle theta over cosine times a sine. So there is this thing. Anyway. So looking at this, you see that there's this part right here. And if you happen to either know your rules really well, or you've memorized the patterns from a worksheet you were given by your teacher really well, you would see that sine squared and cosine squared added together equal 1. So you'll end up with secant of angle theta times sine of angle theta over 1 over cosine. I'm going to stop saying angle theta and just say sine, cosine, whatever, because at this point the of angle theta is pretty much implied. So this will be what you're working with now. So what you're going to do now is you're going to convert secant into its other form, which is in cosine, which is 1 over cosine times sine. So, okay, it is in there. That's kind of annoying. Anyways, pay no attention to this orange or salmon, whatever color this is. Wire right here. Pay no attention to that. That's the microphone headphones that I'm using right now. Over 1 over cosine times sine. So this then becomes, for the sake of simplicity and not having to use the entire page, sine over cosine over 1 over cosine sine. Now, you would probably think to yourself, hey, should probably convert this to tangent immediately. Bad idea. Because you're trying to find sine in the original equation, so it makes no sense do that. Let me see where I am right now. Okay, that is too much. Yep. Alright, cool. Just had to adjust the entire frame. Alright, cool. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to follow a little rule for things like this, which is A over B over C over D. So basically A over B over C over D, which is equal to, I'm just copying down what I saw on the poster in my teacher's classroom. So you move the D over to with the A and the C under the B, or under with the B, so you get AD over BC. Okay. Everything still in frame? Okay, cool. So, following the same rule, A, B, C, D, your equation now becomes sine times sine cosine. So what you can basically do, since it's all just two factors, is multiply by each other. So you'll end up with sine squared of angle theta. Told myself I was going to stop saying that, but I said it anyways. Times cosine over cosine. As you can see, we're very close to solving it. For those of you who understand where this is going, congratulations, you're done. But for those of you who don't, what you're going to do is you're going to cancel out cosine on both sides, and you're left with, you guessed it, sine squared of angle theta. That took too long. And for making it to the end of the video, spinning ninja star, I think. Hang on. Yay! That's the thing I got in my room. Don't ask me where I got it from. It's not illegal, I tell you. Tell you that much. Don't tell the guy.